Piano Maestros! Welcome back to my piano room. It's me, Abby, and my good friend Penny the piano is here.
Welcome back, friend. I'm so glad to see you.
We're so happy to have you back today. We are going to play a very fun song, The Wheels on the Bus. Let's get ready to learn this. Make sure your fingers are nice and relaxed, and let's find where to put our fingers. Let's get our hands in position. In our left hand, we will put our middle finger on 5 and our thumb on 7. And in our right hand, we will put our thumb on 1, our pointer on 2, our middle on 3, and our pinky finger on 5. Now we're ready. Remember that we will listen first, and then we practice each section 3 times. Listen to this. Now it's your turn. 1, 2, ready, go! Play it again! 1, 2, ready, go! Last time. 1, 2, ready, go! Now let's learn the next section. Let's listen. Now it's your turn. 1, 2, ready, go! Play it again. 1, 2, ready, go! Last time. 1, 2, ready, go! Awesome! Now let's move on to the last part. Let's listen! Now it's your turn. 1, 2, ready, go! Play it again. 1, 2, ready, go! Last time. 1, 2, ready, go! Let's play it along together. But first, do you see this castle? We are on a quest to play our song in a faraway land. On our way to the town to catch the big yellow bus. Hold on tight, the doors are opening. You did it! Next time, we'll learn another fun new song. Until then, keep playing, keep smiling, and remember, every note you play is a step toward being a piano superstar. See you next time!
Bye, everyone!
Hare, want to keep the fun going after this lesson? I've got a special activity just for you. Click the link below to get your free coloring page and music worksheet. You can use the song to practice your little group.